welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana, also known as Snuggles. Now, today's video, I'm basically making a chicken fajita. It's just made differently from what we usually make. And I found this style of recipe on Instagram. If I can find it, I will have it here. If not, oh well. All the ingredients and details will be listed down below. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. Now let's get to the video. Preheat forgotten something else. My salsa. Don't bite it. Now I hope you guys tag me on Instagram if you make it, or I hope you guys send it to me on Snapchat, which is obviously right here. And if not, if you know me personally, just text it to me, send me pictures, send me whatever you guys like. If you try it, comment down below and tell me if it came out really great for you or whatever. And I will not be uploading next Friday for Foodie Friday, but for the month of August I will be recreating not all imagine me making all of Disney stuff non-stop. Every Friday of August I will be posting and making Disney themed food. So basically I will be making food that you see in the Disney movies and you would probably think wouldn't exist or whatever, or I don't know how to explain them, but basically on one of them I know for sure I will be making ratatouille. And if you know what ratatouille, you know. I'm itchy. I'm so freaking itchy. Anyways, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, on Instagram, on here. Subscribe, like, not dislike. If you're gonna dislike, just don't watch my stuff again. And I'll see you guys on Monday, if not on Friday. And stay tuned for my next stuff. So, bye.